Hi friends, welcome to my Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest job requirement which was released by CISF. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. CISF is nothing but the Central Industrial Security Force and they are running under the Ministry of Home Affairs. So now they have released a requirement job notification for the posting of Assistant Sub-Inspector X through LDCE for the year 2020. So the notification has been released day before yesterday itself. So if you think you are interested and if you are eligible for this posting, you can apply for this. And I will explain you in a detailed manner about this notification in this video. So they have mentioned that there are 690 vacancies out there and they have also classified the vacancies based on the reservation, and they have also said that it will be a competitive examination. So if you are applying for this, you have to attend an examination also, and however they have also mentioned that the vacancy may increase or decrease at the time of final selection. They have given some of the details and the units under the administrative control of zonal. So please check through it. So here they have given the eligibility criteria. So the first is about service eligibility. So if you are applying for this, you should have a service eligibility. You have to be having 5 years of regular service, including basic training in the grade of 5 years combined regular service. So it should be as a constable or GD or head constable or GD and the constable or TM on 1/8/2020 as they have mentioned here. So they have also mentioned the upper age limit. So as on the date of 1/8/2020, you should not be maximum of 35 years and you should not be born not earlier than 2/8/1985. So relaxation has also been given for SC/ST candidates. So you are getting 5 years of relaxation, and no age relaxation is applicable for OBC candidates. Please be aware of that thing. And OBC candidates can apply as general candidates only. So while doing your application procedure, please read through it and please be very careful about this thing also. And the next is about education qualification. So they have mentioned that any degree from a recognized university which was affiliated by AICTE, so you can do your education qualification. And next is about the clean record. They have mentioned that you should have good or above good ACRs for the last 5 years. So you should not committed any mistake or misconduct. So if you have been with these qualities and eligibilities, you can apply for these postings. So the next is about the physical standards. So they have mentioned some of the physical standard and fitness for you. So if you are a candidate who are applying for this, you have to check through it and you have to check whether you have been fit for this criteria also. So for each and everyone they have mentioned specified. So they have given in a clear manner for both male and female. So you can check through it. So they have given that the number of chances applicable to compete with the LDCE, that is a competitive examination. Only 3 chances will be given for you. So you are allowed to avail only 3 chances and 1 chance will be counted for those candidates who have attended the written examination. So please be very aware of this thing and read this PDF very thoroughly. So before going to your examination, please have this reference also. So for your convenience, we have given this PDF link in the description box. So you can check through it. And the next is about and the main thing, which is selection procedure. So it will be conducting of 5 stages. The stage 1 will be of checking of service records. That is, no marks are allotted and it will be basic checking procedure and no marks will be given for you, and you should have good or above good ACR for the last 5 years. And they have also mentioned to bring the service record till issue of offer of the appointment. Please be aware of that thing. After checking of the service record, you will be asked to attend the written examination. It will be of objective type only and you will be having 200 marks and 3.5 hours will be given as a duration for completing your examination, and you will be assessed, and in some of the parts the questions will be asked. So they have mentioned the subjects also: general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness and professional knowledge, numerical ability and comprehension and communication skill. So each subject carries 50 marks and totally 200 marks. So for SC/ST candidates, 5% relaxation will be given for them. So for others, 50% in aggregate manner, and you should score at least 45% in each part, that is for general intelligence or reasoning. That is, you have to get 45% marks. It is a basic one, so they have mentioned that. And after completing your written examination, and if you have been qualified, you will be going to the next stage of physical standard test. You will not be appointed in lower ranks on compassionate grounds after a feeling relaxation also. If you are going and if you have been passed out in the physical examination, you will be going to the physical efficiency test. So here your nature of qualifying in physical fitness will be tested. So they have classified the efficiency test for both male and female. So you can check through it, and please be prepared for this also and start to prepare ourselves. And the last stage is about detailed medical examination. So after this physical test and other procedures, you will be undergoing the medical procedure. So here each candidate will be declared either fit or unfit, and no one will be recognized or categorized as temporary unfit. So they will be giving you the choice of fit or unfit. They will not be given temporary unfit and etc. So additionally, 10% of the candidates over and above the number of vacancies from amongst the qualified candidates. So you will be called in the basis of merit. Please be aware of that thing. Please check through these things also. So the final thing is selection. So after that, you will be shortlisted based on your merit list, and it will be subject to the prevention that candidate belonging to the category. So if you are belonging to general category, you should secure minimum of 50% aggregate marks, that is 100 marks out of total of 200 marks. And for if you are belonging to the category of SC or ST, you should secure 45%, that is 90 marks. So the final selection will be based on this percentage and these things only. And after you have been declaring fit in medical and physical test, you will be provisionally allotted, and you will be going for the placement also. So here they have mentioned the application procedure. So if you think you are eligible for these or all of these criteria, and if you are capable of doing this examination, you can apply for this. So the application will be of offline mode only, and they have given the application format in this PDF. So I will explain you that also. And the last date for this application procedure is 5/2/2021. So there are 1 month. Solidly you are having 1 month, but don't waste each and every day. So do your application procedure as soon as possible. They have given some of the things related to the application procedure. Certificate you have to attest also, they have mentioned. Please check through it. And they have given the tentative program of this requirement. So the last date of receipt of application by respective application receiving DISG as per the table is 12/2/2021, and the first stage of the examination, right, the checking of service record, it will be done and it will be completed on 12/3/2021. So please be aware of that thing. And the written examination and the other examination, they will be notifying you. So if once they give any update regarding this examination, we will also update you. So here they have given the address regarding that. So based on your zonal DIG, you have to give this application to the specified address. So please be aware of that thing, and please read this PDF very thoroughly. And here is the application format, so you have to download or you can type separately also, but please don't change this application format. So please download this and fill all these credentials, and after that attest your certificates, and you can send it through speed post or courier. And they have also mentioned that, so you have to mention every certificates also which they have given, and you have to attest this certificate also. That is any wrong certification will cause cancellation of something else. So they have given like this, and you can check through it. And you have to give this questionnaire form also. Please read it thoroughly, and please do your application procedure very carefully. So the last date for this is next month, 3/2/2021. So please do your application procedure as soon as possible. And if you think you are eligible, you can apply for this post, and it is a golden opportunity for you, and don't miss it. And if they give any update regarding this examination, we will also update you. And please do follow our YouTube channel also. So if you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.